Okay, guys. In the pipeline report, I'm going to show you how to run Autopay ACH and Autopay CC, and then we're going to add these two up and insert it in the row. So let's do it. So first thing you want to do is you need to find your date range. Whenever you're looking for your date range, you want to come to your document, south location, north location, February, March. I'm looking in March, and what you're going to do is you're going to find your week. So quick example, we're going to do 3/2 through 3/8. Okay, we want to know how much money we brought in that particular week. You're going to go into reports. You're going to go into auto pay detail. Autopay detail. And remember, confusing part with this is financials has 5 weeks. Those 5 weeks are going to match with this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's actually 6 weeks there, right? That actually needs to match up perfectly. So we can actually go back and add 6th week. If you ever see that. Week 6. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Week 6, beginning of the week is 3/2 through 3/8. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to all successful, and then you're going to go to credit card. Credit card is CC. There's your total. So I'm going to go to CC, and according to this, we are in week 2. So since we're in week 2, Autopay CC, I'm going to go over tab, March. There we go. Cool. Let's do the same thing for above. We're going to keep it successful. Let's change that to ACH, right? Boom. $250 ACH. There we go. So obviously week 1's not in here. It needs to be calculated and put in. But there we go. So that's how you run those 2 reports. And then your auto pay revenue is the total of those 2. So basically, if I'm in March and I want to find out my auto pay revenue, it is sum of week 1 all the way down to week 5. Enter. That is the auto pay revenue. Okay, so it's a combination of just adding up all those pieces. Remember, sum, the beginning and the end date. That is how you find. That is how you find Autopay ACH, Autopay CC, and then that is how you add up the Autopay ACH and CC. Thank you.